In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use remote play here on Steam, whether you're playing from another PC or a mobile device. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First, obviously, make sure that you have the Steam app open up on your desktop, and then click Steam up in the top left corner, and from here, go ahead and hit Settings, and on the left-hand menu, scroll down on this page until you see the tab for Remote Play. Go ahead and open that up. Once you're in this section right here, you're going to want to look for Toggle Remote Play On or Enable Remote Play. Go ahead and toggle that on, and then click the Advanced Host Options, which you may have to scroll down a little bit in order to see this, and make sure that you obviously have these turned on as well. From here, you're going to see a lot more options that you can go ahead and turn on. Obviously, these will help improve stability and smoothness, like play audio on host. This is optional depending on where you want your sound. For hardware encoding, I recommend turning this on. Only disable if you have a super high-end system. And for the desktop resolution, make sure that you go ahead and have this changed as well to match the streaming client. Now from here, you can open up Remote Play on a secondary device. If it's from another computer, just open up Steam, sign in, and then of course, go to your library and hit stream instead of play on any supported game. For example, I can kind of show you what that is right here. If I go down to this and then go to, let's see, a game that I've downloaded like Call of Duty Black Ops 3, instead of hitting play, I would just hit this and then select something like stream or play on a mobile device. If you are doing this through Remote Play, make sure that you've already downloaded the Steam link on your app store. Open up that app, it's going to display a parent code, then go to your PC, go back up to Steam, and then go into your settings, and then from here, find that Remote Play tab again. Once you're on this tab right here, go ahead and click the little pair option right here for Steam Link, and this is where you're going to enter in that code, and that is it. You'll be able to launch games and Remote Play directly from your phone. It really is as simple as that. That is how you can enable and use Steam Remote Play here on another PC, a mobile device using Steam Link, or whatever. If you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.